I am very happy about the fact that we have these negotiations. We are continuously making headway. We're engaging in a lot of detailed discussions, and we hope to achieve a good overall result. And the very intensive and good preparatory work that I did with the Vice Chancellor and the Finance Minister has paid off. He's prepared our negotiations, and we're now going through very concrete issues step by step. And I think at the end of the day, the efforts will pay off. Perhaps just one remark, if I may. It is about modernizing our country in the 21st century in the face of immense challenges at a global level. In a world that continues to grow together, that will soon have more than 10 billion inhabitants, where we'll have many important countries in Asia, in Africa, in South of America, not only the classical countries of the North. And thus it is important that we do things right in order to help us organize progress. It is about digitization, it's about standing up to man-made climate change, and it is about responding at the requisite speed, as is in line and appropriate for the biggest economy in Europe. It's important when you want to be an industrial country that is driving change and trade in the world, whilst at the same time carefully using the resources we have. I strongly support and speak out in favor of an interim economic partnership agreement between the European Union and Kenya. Kenyan companies ought to have better access to the European market and should be integrated in fair and sustainable supply chains. And finally, Kenya is the third largest economy in sub-Saharan Africa and in the vanguard of digitization. Such an agreement would be an important interim step on the road to an African free trade area. And here again, we would offer our support.
Today, we are proud that we will be celebrating 60 years of German-Kenyan relations, and I welcome you, Chancellor, to Nairobi for this celebration. I have had a conversation this morning in the Berlin Energy Transition Dialogue, where we are sharing ideas on how, as humanity, we should deal with the existential threat that faces us coming from climate change. I am happy that Kenya and Germany share ideas on the strategy on how to combat and deal with climate change. The conversations again this afternoon around sharing knowledge and experience around MSMEs and our TVET institutions, combining and realigning curriculum between Kenyan MSMEs and technical and vocational training institutions, so that we can train at the same level our skilled, semi-skilled, and other levels of labor, understanding that labor is now a mobile asset around the globe. We signed a 45 million euro facility for the exploitation of our geothermal resources in Olkaria. And I want to thank Chancellor for the assurance that he has made that Germany and Kenya will continue on the trajectory of renewable energy exploitation for the benefit of both Kenya and Germany.